Hello dear students, hope you guys are fine and doing well. Welcome to Easy Learn. And yeah guys, before we are starting the class guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Here is, you can subscribe and press the bell icon, and you can also share this one with your friends also. Okay, so yeah, let's get started what we are having for today. So guys, today we are going to talk about two things, about do and does. What is do and what is does, where we can use, how we should make example for that. Good? So ready? Let's go. So guys, do and does. Do and does, they are helping verbs. They are what? They are helping verbs. Mostly we use with simple present tense. Simple guys, do, does. They are what? They are helping verbs. With which tense we are using? We are using them with simple present tense. Okay? Fine. So, you understand? Good. Now, let's move to the next guys. Okay. So, now we use does with he, she, it, singular. For example, student, dog. He does, she does, it does, student does, dog does with singular. Okay, good. Do is mostly we use with we do, you do, they do, I do, students do, dogs do. Simple guys. Suppose if I say dog does, if we say dogs, it's plural, dogs do. Clear? If we say boy, boy is singular, boy does. If we say boys, plural, boys become do. Clear? So this is how we use do and does. Good. Okay. Now let's move to the next guys. Okay. So now how we should make example for do does. Before that guys, we are talking about the verbs. These are all verbs. These are all verbs. We will talk about this later. Okay. So now, how we should make example for do and does. Guys, very simple. You should know this formula. Subject, do, does, not verb, anything. This is how you guys make what? How you guys make example for do, does. Subject, do, does, not verb, anything. So, first put any subject. Subject, he, she, it, I, we, you, they, put anything. Suppose put she. Okay, with she what we use? Do or does? With she we use does. After does put not. Then put any verb guys. Pick any verb. She does not clean the room. Simple. Another example. Suppose pick any subject. Suppose we. With we what we use? Do or does? With we use do. After do we put not. After not guys, pick any verb here. We do not find the book. The book. Make another example. Suppose pick I. Suppose he. So with he what we use? Do or does? Does. He does. After does, we put not. Then put any verb from here. He does not read the book. Okay, so make another example. For example, girls. Girls is plural. We use do or does? We use do. Girls do not. Then pick any verb. Girls do not work here. So guys, now if you see that subject we, he, she, they are what? They are subject. Then we have do, does. Then we have not. Clean, find, read, work, they are verb and anything. This is how simple we can make. So guys, you just only need to remember this one and you can make million of example. First put subject, do, does, not verb and anything. Very simple. Clear? Good. So now let's move to the next, guys. The next one is, guys, how we make examples, but it is in question formula. First we have to put do, does, subject, verb, anything. Suppose first I add do, then put any subject, suppose you, do you, then verb, do you speak English? Then we have question mark. Then suppose put does, then put any subject, he, she, it, he, she, it, anyone. Does she? Then put any verb. Does she love him? Does she love him? Simple. Then again put do. Do I? Then put anyone. Do I play football? Do I play good? Good. Make another example. Suppose does Ali? Does Ali? Put any verb. Does Ali buy a car? Buy a car. So now, guys, now you can see that one. Do, does, you, she, I, Ali, subject, deserve verb, and anything. So simple, guys. You just learn only the formula, and you are going to make a lot of examples. So now let's move, guys. Now come to the conclusion. What we studied about do and does. What are do and does? They are helping verbs. With which tense they are using? With simple present tense. So do is used with what? Do is used with which tense? Do is used with I, we, you, they, and plural. And come to the does. Does is used with which one? Does is used with which one? You tell. Does is used with he, she, it. He, she, it. It's good. Now if we want to make an example, suppose she doesn't, she does not come here. Simple. Or suppose if we make it question, does she come here? So this is how we, guys, studied about do and does. Very simple. Okay, guys. Now it is time for you, guys. You should make one example for does, write in the comments. One example for do, write in the comments. It can be negative or question, it doesn't matter. Okay, so thank you guys so much, and we will see you for upcoming classes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon, and share this one with your friends, okay, on Instagram or on Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever. Okay, so love you all, and we will see you for the upcoming classes. Thank you so much for being with us.